what a motto is?
Model?
A motto.
Yeah.
What's the motto?
If anyone is...
What for lunch?
I don't know. Maybe days walk. Sounds good.
Okay. Hey.
You didn't see that. You didn't see that.
Such a nice day today. I did a lot of work in the morning, and then my mom had to do a checkup. All right, this way. No, no pulling. Sit, sit, sit. Good girl. Yummy, yummy. Hey guys, I thought I would pop in here and just explain where we went to because I just filmed it and I didn't talk at all. So we went to Caspian, which is a restaurant here in Bellevue, and it looks like a hole in the wall from the outside, but if you go inside, it's actually kind of nice. And most important thing, however, is like the food. The food is so good. I don't know if it's Mediterranean or Persian. I don't know. So what we ordered was just one order, and then you could totally share that entree. So we ordered the Caspian Special, which has three different types of meats on it. Comes with vegetables, and then it comes with sides of rice and this really thin, almost looks like naan or like tortilla bread, but it's like more powdery. Brian was wrapping his meat into the bread, like almost like a gyro. Oh, anyways, so good. It's a little bit on the pricier side. I think it's like $38 before tax and everything, but I mean, it's a huge entree. Two people can more than eat that one entree together and share it. And we were stuffed, like stuffed to the brim. And then we ended that meal with the ice cream that's there. It's like a pistachio saffron ice cream. I really like it, but it's an acquired taste. Like Brian was eating it and he was like, it tastes like mosquito repellent. And I was like, what? And then he's like, well, it just kind of reminds me of mosquito repellent or like perfume. And I was like, all right. I mean, it is fragrant, but I think it's really good. Tomorrow, just to update you guys, tomorrow is actually a bit more of a busier day. Tomorrow, I'm actually going to the doctor's. And the reason is, as you guys know, I did my double jaw surgery. And things are like, if you could see, they're healing up nicely. I'm still a little bit puffy here. The reason why I'm going is because I'm always having a runny nose, and it's really embarrassing because I'll be talking to people and I'm just like literally just like, pew, it just comes out like water. It sounds nasty, I know. I'm having sinus issues, and I don't know if I told you guys, but I have a small hole in the roof of my mouth. So obviously if I'm eating or drinking, that stuff is getting little by little bit into that hole, and I feel like it's just kind of sitting up in there, which I know it sounds nasty, but it's actually very common for people that undergo jaw surgery and then like an expansion of the top jaw. So, you know, they expanded the top jaw, pushed this back, and then I have like so many bolts and screws in here, which is crazy to think about. I was looking at my x-ray. I have 28 bolts in my face, which is crazy, but it's amazing what they could do with modern technology. And for the most part, other than the fistula that happened at the roof of my mouth, the jaw surgery was very successful, and now things are straight. And I have a slight overbite that I'm kind of working on with like bands and whatnot. But I was talking with my orthodontist today, and he said I can probably get my braces off next month. So that's gonna be really cool. No more eating and getting food stuck in my braces, and like I'll be laughing and I'll be like, ha, and then like it gets stuck like this, and that ain't cute, you know? You know, it's been a while. I just kind of want to feel my teeth without braces and not have to worry. But we'll see, you know, this was a medically necessary surgery and it was well worth it. Yes, Cute. Aw. How cute is that? Okay, so I get married. So it looks like you have to like befriend a Tamagotchi and then keep bringing them gifts and like hanging out at the park with them. And then I actually proposed to that girl twice and she declined me, but this time she asked me, which is kind of cool. Okay. And then you should get like a new egg, pretty much. How cute! Okay, so there we go. Oh. Oh. Yay, new egg. They say it takes like a minute. Oh. Hey, that looks a lot like my first one. Oh, we'll see. Cute, cute, cute. Named it Zoichi, and look it, that's my family. So cute. So this is what happens when you feed it baby food. The dad will actually come and feed it until it's a little bit older, which is so cute. Okay. So remember the deliciousness. Ow.
My skirt is so pretty.
Which one is this one again? Lava Flow? It's not very pretty. I like how you turned this so I don't see the other side. So the reality to owning rabbits is that they poop so much. These days, they don't really like to be held. There's Coco. She's scared. Look, y'all. Hey, they like know how to use it now.